You've been waxing wrong this whole time, and here's what no one tells you. Like, subscribe, and stay till the end for the smoothest skin of your life. Prep starts days before, not minutes before. Exfoliate gently 48 hours before. Avoid tanning 24 hours before. Hydrate well before the session. Shave nothing in the bikini area for 2 weeks. Check hair length before you book. Ideal length is 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Too short equals won't grip. Too long equals painful. Trim with scissors if needed. Don't wax around your period. Skin is more sensitive. Higher pain levels. Risk of more bruising. Schedule mid-cycle instead. Numbing creams. Game changer. Apply 30-45 minutes before. Wipe off completely before wax. Available OTC in most countries. Not for broken skin. Know your skin type. Sensitive skin? Use hard wax. Dry skin? Hydrate a day before. Oily skin? Clean well pre-wax. Choose the right wax type. Hard wax equals less pain. Better for sensitive areas. Soft wax equals sticky. Needs strips. Sugaring equals natural and gentler. Test different kinds. If unsure, don't drink coffee before waxing. Increases sensitivity. Make skin more reactive. Try calming tea instead. Hydration is better. Clean your skin thoroughly first. No lotion, oils, or makeup. Use a gentle cleanser. Pat. Dry completely. Practice deep breathing during pull. Uses shock to skin. Helps muscle relaxation. Exhale during pull. Stay calm and still. Stretch your skin. Uses pain. Ensures clean pull. Use one hand to hold skin taut. Waxing position matters. Frog pose for inner thighs. Needs a chest for back area. Use mirror if DIY. Be steady and comfortable. Use talcum or baby powder first. Absorbs moisture. Improves wax grip. Prevents sticking to skin. Avoid scented powders. Check wax temperature. Test on wrist first. Too hot equals burns. Too cold equals won't spread. Use wax warmer if home waxing. Don't double dip the stick. Cross contamination risk. Always use new stick, especially important for salons. Bring your own if concerned. Work in small sections. More control, cleaner results. Less breakage. Reduces pain per pull. 16. Pull opposite to hair growth. Ensures root removal. Reduces ingrowns. Hold skin taut. Pull quickly and flat. Immediate aftercare is key. Apply aloe vera gel. Avoid tight clothes. Don't touch area. No gym or swimming for 24 hours. 18. Don't use fragranced products after. Can irritate open follicles. Avoid sprays, lotions. Stick to calming balms. Wait 24 hours before applying. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Prevents ingrown hairs. Use gentle scrub. Avoid harsh tools. Use ingrown hair serums. BA-based are best. Apply 2 days post-wax. Helps unclog follicles. Use consistently. Avoid heat and sweat post-wax. Skip sauna or gym. No hot showers. Use cool compress. Let skin breathe. Wear loose cotton underwear. Prevents friction. Reduces redness. Breathable fabrics help avoid synthetics. Know when to see a pro. First time, go to salon. Complicated bikini shape? If you have skin conditions, learn from pros first. DIY waxing. Use a mirror. Better visibility prevents accidents. Clean space properly. Use good light. Don't wax on damaged skin. Cuts, burns, rashes equals avoid risk of infection. Wait till fully healed. Consult doctor if unsure.
Understand waxing side effects. Redness is normal. Bumps equals When not to wax. Key skin conditions: psoriasis and eczema risks, open wounds and sunburns, cold sores and fungal infections. See a dermatologist first. What to do if you miss a spot? Avoid rewaxing. Same area tweezers to the rescue. Soothing after tweezing patch cleanup techniques. Proper wax storage: yes, it matters. Keep waxing cool. Dry place. Avoid humidity and temperature fluctuations. German efficiency. Labeled and sealed. Prevent wax contamination. Don't wax if on certain medications: retinoids, antibiotics, Accutane. Skin thinning dangers. Talk to your doctor during medication cycles. Post-wax creams. What to use and avoid: aloe vera and calendula. Avoid heavy petroleum-based creams. Check reviews from UK and NZ users, incented and natural focused. The real duration of smoothness varies. High individual hormonal versus natural growth. Tracking growth cycles. Planning based on event calendars. Wax type showdown. Soft versus hard. Which one hurts less? Best for coarse versus fine hair application difference. German spa preference. Hard wax wins. Don't skip this final step. Skin sealing. Lightweight barrier creams helps retain moisture, prevents bacteria. Often ignored but crucial. Male Brazilian wax tips: yes, it's a thing. Differences in hair thickness. Prep essentials. Why many men in USA and UK opt for re-waxing too soon. A big mistake. Allow full growth. Skin needs time to heal. Ideal wait time 3 to 4 weeks. Signs you're rushing it. Surprise side effect. Hyperpigmentation happens with repeated trauma. How to prevent it? Avoid mixing waxing and sun exposure. UV sensitivity. Post-wax sunburn risk doubles. Use of SPF 50. Best time to plan beach days: Australia, Miami, etc. How to make waxing less painful. Naturally numbing creams. Beware ingredients. Breathing exercises. Distraction techniques. Peppermint oil massage trick. Psychological prep for first-timers. Anxiety reducing music. Guided meditation. Naps. Teens and waxing. What parents should know. Age-appropriate discussions. Consent and comfort. Alternative methods for sensitive ages. Focus on hygiene education. Popular myths about Brazilian waxing. Hair doesn't grow back thicker. It doesn't eliminate hair permanently. It's not only for women. Eco-friendly waxing options. Biodegradable strips, reusable spatulas, organic wax options. Growing trend in Nordic countries. How often should you really wax? Depends on growth cycle. 3 to 6 week ideal. Consider seasons. Clothing plus sweat. Use cold compress post-wax, but not too soon. Helps reduce inflammation. Wait at least 30 minutes after waxing. Never applies directly to skin. Trim before waxing, but not too short. 1/4 inch is the sweet spot. Prevents wax from pulling skin easier. More effective hair removal. Know your hair growth pattern. Everyone's hair grows differently. Wax with the growth first, then against avoids breakage under skin, reduces chance of ingrown hairs. Go fragrance free for 24 hours after wax. Avoid scented body lotions. Skip body mists, perfumes near area. Use gentle, hypoallergenic products. Fragrance can inflame raw skin. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.